Plant FAQs, Philodendron Holtonianum. Philodendron Holtonianum, a climbing beauty's unfolding story. Hello, plant enthusiasts. Ferb here, and today, we delve into the captivating world of the Philodendron Holtonianum. This rare epiphytic vine boasts a dramatic transformation, captivating collectors with its ever-evolving foliage. See more 623 species in genus Philodendron at monsteraholic.com. What is a Philodendron Holtonianum? The Philodendron Holtonianum is an epiphytic vine, meaning it thrives by clinging to other plants or structures for support in its natural habitat of eastern Ecuador. This undescribed species, as some botanists call it, was previously mistaken for a Philodendron Tripartitum variation, but upon closer inspection, its unique characteristics earned it its own distinction. The allure of changing leaves. The true magic of the Philodendron Holtonianum lies in its foliage. As a juvenile, it boasts slender, single-lobed leaves. But as this aerial acrobat climbs, its leaves morph dramatically. Deep lobes begin to emerge, progressively growing larger and wider, reaching an impressive length of up to 3 feet. This captivating transformation adds a touch of the unexpected to your indoor jungle. Philodendron Holtonianum versus Philodendron Tripartitum. Unveiling the differences. While the Philodendron Holtonianum was once considered a Tripartitum relative, there are key distinctions to note. Here's a quick breakdown. Leaf shape. The Philodendron Tripartitum, as its name suggests, typically displays 3 distinct lobes. The Holtonianum's lobes, however, tend to be more deeply cut and develop progressively as the plant matures. Leaf size. The Tripartitum generally boasts smaller leaves compared to the Holtonianum's impressive 3-foot potential. Growth habit. Both are climbers, but the Holtonianum's aerial nature is more pronounced. Caring for your Philodendron Holtonianum, a guide to growth. Ready to bring this botanical wonder into your home? Here's what you need to know. Light. Bright, indirect light is ideal. Avoid harsh, direct sunlight that can scorch the leaves. North or east-facing windows provide the perfect amount of natural illumination. If natural light is limited, supplement with fluorescent or LED grow lights. Water. Consistent watering is key, but avoid oversaturation. Allow the top inch of soil to dry out slightly between waterings. Soil. A well-draining, airy potting mix is crucial. Aroid mix or a combination of potting soil, perlite, and orchid bark works wonders. Fertilizer. During the growing season, spring and summer, a balanced liquid fertilizer diluted to half strength can be applied monthly. Withhold fertilizer during fall and winter. Support. As a climbing vine, the Philodendron Holtonianum craves support. A moss pole or trellis allows it to climb and unfurl its magnificent foliage. Pruning. Regular pruning encourages bushier growth and maintains a neat appearance. Simply remove leggy or yellowing stems using clean, sharp pruners. Is the Philodendron Holtonianum rare? Yes, due to its limited habitat and specific care requirements. The Philodendron Holtonianum is considered a rare houseplant. Is the Philodendron Holtonianum fast-growing? The growth rate can vary depending on light, watering, and fertilization. With proper care, it can exhibit moderate to fast growth. Is the Philodendron Holtonianum toxic to pets? Yes. Like most philodendrons, the Holtonianum contains calcium oxalate crystals, which can be irritating if ingested by pets or humans. Keep it out of reach of curious creatures and children. Can Philodendron Holtonianum be grown outdoors? While it can tolerate warm, humid climates outdoors, it's generally best suited as a houseplant due to its sensitivity to cold and frost. Does Philodendron Holtonianum flower? Yes, but flowering is uncommon indoors. Mature plants may produce small, greenish-white flowers that resemble those of other philodendrons. How big can Philodendron Holtonianum get? In ideal conditions, Philodendron Holtonianum can climb and sprawl up to 10 feet, with leaves reaching an impressive 3 feet in length. How often should I repot Philodendron Holtonianum? Repotting is only necessary every 2 to 3 years, or when the plant outgrows its current pot. Choose a pot that's just slightly larger than the root ball for optimal growth. Bringing the magic of the Philodendron Holtonianum home. With its captivating transformation and relatively low maintenance needs, the Philodendron Holtonianum is a captivating addition to any plant collection. By following these simple care tips, You can witness the magic of this climbing beauty unfold in your own home. So happy planting!